Hello, we are Not Your Mum, and we thought that we would talk about the uplifting subject of cancer, because obviously a few famous people have died a bit recently, Terry Wogan, David Bowie, and also everybody knows someone who has cancer or has had cancer or has been affected by it. So it's a scary thing, and as with all scary things, it helps to understand it.
Cancer is actually the name of any disease that is caused by the body cells starting to divide and not stopping. These cells grow into a clumpy, lumpy mass. Sometimes it can spread into other surrounding tissues. This mucks up the body's usual processes, leading to old, damaged cells sticking around where they would have usually died.
Cancers can start pretty much anywhere in the body, so lung cancer obviously starts in the cells of the lungs, breast cancer in the cells of the breast, etc. Often these cancer cells form into tumours, which is the word for the clumpy, lumpy things, and then if left unchecked, then little bits of the tumour, a few tiny cells, can break off and travel around the body in the blood or the lymph system. And this is what has happened when people talk about the cancer spreading.
On the whole, once a cancer has spread or metastasised, to use the proper word, it is more difficult to treat and sometimes cannot be cured. But it can often be managed. And many people with metastatic cancer can live for a very long time.
By the way, not all tumours are cancerous. Benign, which is the proper word for non-cancerous, tumours are on the whole not life-threatening, but it can depend where they are and what they're stuck to.
Cancer is treated by trying to remove or kill the abnormal cells. But unfortunately, this can also kill some of the healthy cells as well. So when you're having the different medicines to treat cancer, you can often feel more poorly than the cancer makes you feel in the first place.
Even one cell, one tiny cell remaining, means that the tumour could then grow again, so cancer is a tricky one to treat. Treatment can include surgery to cut it out, or chemotherapy and or radiotherapy to kill the cells. There are lots of other treatments, but those are probably the ones that you've heard of.
Chemotherapy is a very powerful medicine and it can make your hair fall out. And it is the medicine that has made the hair fall out, not the disease itself.
No, cancer does not make your hair fall out. Radiotherapy uses radiation to try to kill the cancer, and with surgery, obviously, they try and cut it out. So, for example, by removing a breast with malignant cancer cells in it.
Finally, cancer is not a virus. You cannot, repeat, not catch it from being near someone who has cancer. It does not happen.
No.
End of.
Certain newspapers, Daily Mail, love to scaremonger, telling us that basically everything causes cancer. And to that we say, pah, it's rubbish. There are all sorts of reasons why some people are unlucky enough to get cancer, and often it's just one of those things.
Having said that, tobacco, the sun's rays, obesity are all risk factors for cancer. So don't smoke. Wear sunscreen and have a healthy diet, and also live your life to the full.
Yeah. So if you are unlucky enough to get cancer at some point in your life, how peed off will you be if you have spent your previous years worrying about getting cancer or anything else instead of really enjoying life and experiencing it?
If you are experiencing cancer in any way at the moment, first of all, we're really sorry.
Yeah, it's a bummer.
Yeah. Secondly, Macmillan Cancer Support and the Teenage Cancer Trust are excellent places to start for some online advice.
Yeah, details below. If you have any questions about cancer or anything else, then leave a comment or email us, all that stuff. The details again are below. And remember that we will never say who you are or your email address in a video.
Thank you for watching, and also thank you to our lovely Dr. Laura, who helped us with this episode.
Thanks, see you soon.
Bye.